If you want to earn $15 in pure passive income, then keep watching this video. Open this secret website in your browser. Don't worry, I'm going to reveal this website very soon. This platform allows you to earn passive income by sharing a small portion of your internet bandwidth. This website uses your data to help artificial intelligence research, and it guarantees the safety of your personal data. This website is not like Honeygain or Pawns app that pays you literally pennies. This website is way better than them. This website launched recently, so it is paying thousands of dollars to its users. Unlike other similar platforms, this platform doesn't access your private information or use your computer's processing power. So it's a safe and legal way to generate extra income. To get started on this platform is very easy. Just click Open Dashboard and then create your account using your email and password. After this, your dashboard will look like this. Here, the first thing you need to do is install their Chrome extension, which you can do by going to the store section and then clicking this download button. It will take you to the Chrome Web Store page. From here, click Add to Chrome button. An extension will be installed to your browser. Then click on the extension icon and select the login button. The extension will connect to your account automatically. If you see this, that's me. It is correctly set up and it should start generating coins for you passively. You can even hide the extension or minimize your browser and it'll keep working in the background. The money you earn depends on your internet speed, location, and the amount of time the extension is active. Typically, you can expect to earn between 1,500 to 2,000 grass coins per day, which means around 50,000 to 60,000 coins per month, which is roughly around $50. If you're thinking this is not enough, then don't worry. I'm going to show you how to increase your earnings up to 25 times, which will be $1,250 passively. So keep watching this video. First, if you install Grass Community Node, you can earn 1.25 times, which is a 25% increase in your earnings. Click on this download button and from here, select your preferred operating system like macOS, Linux, or Windows. I am going to select my operating system, which is Windows. After this, extract this zip, then open your extension tab in your browser and enable developer mode and drag and drop this file in your browser tab. That's it. Now you will be earning 25% more money. If you want to double your earning, you can install Grass Desktop Node, which will help you earn 2 times more points. Click on the download button and select your operating system for one more time. Install this software as you install any typical Windows software. Once you do all of these, you'll be earning 225% more money than you would be at starting. Was that enough? I don't think so. Let's increase your earning even more. If you're serious about maximizing your income, consider creating a farm of accounts. Even if you only have one computer, you can still set up multiple accounts using proxies and a remote server. This method can significantly increase your income $1,200 or more per month. Now let me show you how to do it. It's all possible thanks to a website called Notom even. With the help of this website, you can have unlimited proxies, which you can use to create as many accounts as you want in Grass Project. Those who don't know about proxies, let me explain it to you. Proxies work almost similar to VPN. Think of them as a middleman between your computer and the internet. Instead of your computer connecting directly to websites, the proxy connects for you, hiding your real location by using a different IP address. You can also install these proxies in your remote server to create even more accounts, which I'm also going to explain. If you're wondering why I'm suggesting you to use Notom even though there are tons of proxies providers available, reason for this is that the world of crypto uses extremely harsh detection algorithms, which will suspend your account even if they detect a little bit of suspicious activity. To avoid this, we need to use good quality proxies, and most proxy providers just give you bad proxies that can be easily detected by these detection algorithms, and your account will definitely be suspended. That's where Notom comes in picture. All the proxies provided by Notom is unique to every user and have high quality level. These proxies can easily bypass detection algorithms, so you don't have to worry about your account suspension. What's even more, that plans of Notom is very affordable, which start from 35 euros to 250 euros. You can also start your trial with only 4 euros if you want. Link of Notom is given in description of this video. You can directly open it from there. After you get proxies, you can rent remote servers from this website at a very cheap price. I've also given the link of this website in description. I hope now you have understand how to earn money with the Grass project. Now let's move on to the withdrawal process, because what's the benefits of earning money if you don't know how to withdraw? First, click start, then send verification link and confirm your email by clicking the button in the email. Next, connect your wallet to any of the supported options. I'm going to select Phantom because it's easy to set up. Just click download for Chrome, then add to Chrome, and finally create an account. Now return to the Grass project, select Phantom, and click on connect. Lastly, hit the start button to confirm your wallet, and again, verify your email. That's it. Your wallet address is connected in just a few clicks. The Grass project operates in the world of cryptocurrency, and the coins you earn are basically called Grass coins. These coins are set to appear on various crypto exchanges in August, where they'll have their own value. Currently, people are trading Grass coins on a pre-market platform called Wells Market, where 100,000 coins are selling for around $60–$80. Once the coins are listed on exchanges, I will keep you updated in a community post, and you'll be able to withdraw them to your crypto a wallet and trade them for real money. Until then, collect more and more coins to accumulate wealth. Now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.